Hello. Today is the first of the big videos I've been talking about. Big box. Today we're going to be building and setting up the Elegoo Neptune 4 and then get a couple prints on it in this video. Go follow my TikTok at BrettRBO4. I think it's in the description. Go follow that and you will be able to see some time lapses of other things I print. So we got 2 kilograms of filament here. This is a white and a black. And then in this box from Bamboo Labs, we have a gray and a black, which we will be using as well. But first, we got to set up the big boy. So let's get straight into it. We got the knife to open the box. So it should be set up. Let's hit the power switch. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, so this is actually magnetic. I think I tried to show you guys this in the time lapse. There's USB-C, what's that called? USB, regular USB-A port down here. Oh, the lights turned off. Okay, let's see. Okay, the system is currently starting. Please wait, sorry. Okay. So, if you get this, I'm sweating like crazy from this. If you get this, make sure you switch the voltage from 230 to 115 or whatever it is, because especially if you live in the US, 120 gain. Okay, let's level this. Confirm. Oh, it's leveling itself. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this to go, and then I'll come back once we get ready for the first print, which we are going to be comparing to a print off of a Bamboo X1E/X1 Carbon. They're basically the same thing. Tugboat. We're gonna print a tugboat on here. We're gonna compare it to this. I'm gonna time lapse the print as well. I don't know how long the print will take, but yeah. We're gonna clean all this, try to clean as much of this up as possible. And maybe cable tie some stuff together, because they gave a bunch of cable ties, so probably cable tie some stuff. Continue looking through that manual while this levels. So the boat finished. So this is the boat. This is the boat that came off of a Bamboo X1E. Let me unplug this because I had plugged it for the time lapses. So, we're printing Lord Voldemort's wand now. So yeah, but yeah, here we go. When you look at it here. So the blue boat versus the white boat. Remember, this is the one that came off of the Neptune 4. The white one came off the Neptune 4. This one came off of an X1 carbon, Bamboo X1E, which is basically the X1 carbon. So as you can see from the front, the little holes, this side, the little holes aren't too bad. They come out pretty well. I like pull focus. I don't know if I can pull focus. They came out pretty well. Looks, if anything, it's kind of hard to see this. If anything, drooping more on this one. The overhang, you can definitely see a little bit. It's not as smooth of a curve on that as the X1E. The back circle looks pretty good on both of them. Little hole in the bottom. The text is super hard to read on the white one, so that's not really as good of a test as some of the other things. But overall, I'd say this came out really well. And so yeah, if you guys want to see more prints, go follow my TikTok at BrettRB04 or 34, whichever one it is. Like I said earlier, it's linked in the description. And yeah, we're gonna be using the GoPro to film some stuff on there. But yeah, I don't know what else to do apart from just, I guess, I don't know how, I guess I don't know if we can outro yet. Maybe, we'll see. I'll show this off because I didn't use supports for the boat, but I'm using supports for the Voldemort's wand. So when this finishes, I will come back and show you guys how easy supports are to remove on this thing. Because unlike a Bamboo Lab printer, there's not a specific filament meant for supports. It just uses your standard PLA or whatever you're using for supports. So when this finishes, we'll come back. We will show how easy it is to remove the supports. And then, yeah, I'll be back. Also thought I would come on here and show what it looks like on the software side of this. So the next thing we're printing is the vertical mount as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the inset as well for the GoPro case. So we have it here. We're gonna probably do this on a normal speed. Supports will be off. We're gonna turn off supports for this because I don't think supports will be needed on this. So got all that. Then we come down to this button, hit splice, takes a little bit, splices it up, and it's going to take 6 hours and 11 minutes and use 148 grams of filament in order to make these two pieces. We can look at preview and just see how it'll look like whenever it's printing. You know, what each layer will look like, how it's done, you know, how the filament, how the head goes on it. So yeah, thought I'd also come on here and show that. This is on Elegoo Cura, and these models were downloaded off of Printables. If you want to check out Printables, I'll have a link in the description for that as well as a link for the printer if you want to buy it. I'm not affiliated with either of these companies. I have an account on Printables, but I don't make money off of Printables, and I definitely don't have a, you know, one of those Amazon affiliate links for this printer. So yeah, if you guys want to check either of these services and products out, the links will be in the description. So the Elder one finished printing. So let's see how hard it is to take the supports off. There goes that. Okay, start with this little piece because I think the little piece will be relatively easy to do. Okay, I'm trying to put the plate back on here. But yeah, so let's start with the little piece, like I said, because I think this will be the easiest one to do. Very easy. That's gonna go in one of these ends. We'll figure it out in a second. Now for the slightly bigger one. Oh, I put a support in the middle of it too. Ooh, that's not good. Good thing I got a knife. No, the band-aid on my finger is not because of knife. It's because of my bed, actually. That sounds even worse. Okay, it popped. Oh, it did a lot. Oh, no. Oh, it went all the... Oh, shoot. This might not work out like I thought it would. It went like all the way up. Okay, never mind. Got it out. This might not work because I did supports on this. Oh, no. This might not work because I did supports on these. I don't know if this is gonna work. It went in. Okay, first bit went in. Okay, now for these. So these supports are actual supports. So let's see how easy it is to remove these. That popped off really easily. Of course it doesn't want to pop. There it goes. Popped another one off. Ow. I think you will have to use something to help pop the supports off of it because it is pretty hard to pop them off. And they're coming out very sharp as well. Ow. This last bit's pretty hard to take off. Okay. So some parts of it messed it up a little bit, but not too bad. Now let's see if we can get this in here. And then cast a spell. Oh, this came out really well. Look at me. Harry Potter, the boy who lived, come to die. Oh, okay, now I'm gonna print probably the GoPro stuff. So here's what I have loaded in here now. The Zelda dock for my Switch. We have GoPro, the tool holder for this thing, the cause piece, and the grocery bag. I think I'm gonna print this later, but for now I think we're gonna do this 6-hour print in black. I mean, this cause one's gonna take like 11 hours to do, but look at it. That's gonna be sick. This cause one, I'm probably gonna do on my TikTok, so go follow me there. And yeah, we're gonna print this, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of it, but that's gonna be the end of me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Take it easy, and peace out, everybody. Change of plans, not doing the GoPro time lapse. It's still printing, and it said it was like 6 minutes already, so no time lapse. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Take it easy, and peace out, everybody.